here's a spool of BBLIFE silver PLA that took a bit of a spill off the shelf. So I was trying to use it on my Elegoo's to salvage it, and so I was doing different prints. You know, I did a couple drawers and stuff like that. I just did as much silver stuff as I could think of to try to salvage as much PLA. Well, one of my YouTube subscribers reached out and was like, hey, could you do an arc reactor in that silver? I'm curious on how it looked like. I want to make one. I like the silver. I want to see how it looks. Well, here it is. This one came out in 4 pieces. You got your bottom, your middle, your center, and then your caps, which they actually leave room to spool like copper on each one of these to make it look, you know, like the arc reactor. And they also leave room inside for like an LED or something. So, but yeah, I wasn't planning on doing any of that. It was not fun enough gluing it all together, but I finally did it after a little bit of slacking. So here it is, the arc reactor in BBLIFE silver.